So today what I'm going to show you how to do is to put 4 different images on the same piece of paper inside Photoshop. First thing, I'm in Bridge and I'm going to click on my first image, hold the Shift key down and click on my last image. That will select all 4 of those images, and then I'm going to double click and it should open all of them into Camera Raw. Sometimes it may open yours directly into Photoshop. If it directly into Camera Raw, you just hit Select All and then Open Images. And we'll see. I'm going to minimize my bridge. We're going to get all 4 images onto one. Okay, you're going to choose one of your pictures and you're going to drag out so you make a bigger area for you to work in. I'm going to try and get even bigger. Let's see. What I did to make it smaller is I simply hit Command plus or Alt plus on the a PC. All right, I'm going to use my crop tool. That's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th tool down, and I'm going to select my picture. Okay. Then I'm going to grab the handle in the center and I'm going to move it out into the empty space and I'm going to hit the return. That means I've got some more space. I'm going to choose my next picture, my move tool, click, hold, and drag it into the next space. You can line the 2 up right next to each other, or you can give them a little space around the outside. Now, this one needs to be enlarged a little bit. So I'm going to grab the bottom handle. I'm going to hold down my Shift key. By holding down the Shift key, it won't stretch her so she looks ugly. That keeps her the same, and then release it. I'll show you the difference. Oops. Got to do my move. All right, there we go. All right, I'm going to show you without using the Shift key, and you see how she gets all distorted. And we don't want that at all. So I'm going to just, I'm going to hit return so she stops, and then I'm going to hit Alt Z, which is going to take me back, and I'm going to hold the Shift key down and stretch her out. There she goes. So now these 2 pictures are of the same kind, and I'm going to hit return. I'm going to hit my my Alt minus, and I'm going to stretch it out again. I'm going to choose my crop tool once again, stretching it out over both of these pictures. And then I'm going to pull it from the center down. And then I'm going to hit return. Now I've got space for my other images. So I'm going to minimize this and I'm going to click on this one. Click hold. Oops, I didn't change the tool right. Okay. I'm going to hit return and then I'm going to hit my Alt Z and it'll go back. I'm going to get my move tool, moving it, click, hold, and drag over. I'm going to line her up right underneath. Okay, I want to make it so it's the same. And then I'm going to hold my Shift key down and I'm going to stretch it out. Okay, now, and then release. I may bring it over on this side because I think she's going to pair up better with that image, and hit return. I'm going to go back. I'm going to minimize. I'm going to choose my last young lady. I'm going to click, hold, and drag it over. And then I'm going to put her in place down here. And I see that I don't have the same distance between there, and I'm going to show you how to fix that in a second. If you go to view, and then you go and you have ruler checked. So it's view, check ruler, and you'll have these coming. If you click and you drag it over, you see you can line pictures up that way. Click and drag over. And you can see how I need to move this last picture over. So I'm going to use my side arrow key, and I'm going to move her over so that works. Return. Going back to my crop again, I'm going to select it. And this time I'm going to select it in a little bit so that my pictures all look the same. Hit return. Last thing, go to layer, flatten, filter, sharpen, smart sharpen. Gonna look and see what they give me. Oh, they gave me a bad spot. So I'm gonna use my little hand and gonna move it to where I can see it. All right. It looks like it's a little too sharp, so I'm going to lower it down a little bit and hit OK. Then File, Save As. I'm going to call it Foursome. Save. Save it as 12. And OK. That's it for today. Hope that helps.